Alright, now that we've talked about the quick valve connector system, let's move on to the next step, installing the 300mL cartridge into the cartridge retainer with a pneumatic cylinder. This step is key to achieving stable and consistent dispensing, especially in automated applications. So here's how it works. First, we take the 300mL adhesive cartridge, unscrew and open the retainer, then place the cartridge inside the retainer's tube. Next, we attach the quick valve connector to the horizontal dispensing valve, locking it in place. Once that's done, we secure the pneumatic cylinder tightly back onto the retainer. This step is crucial because it prevents vibrations that could affect dispensing accuracy. Now here's where the pneumatic cylinder makes a real difference. Instead of directly applying air pressure to the adhesive, the cylinder delivers a steady, controlled force, ensuring a smooth, even flow. This is especially important for medium to high viscosity adhesives like epoxies and silicones. Without controlled pressure, you'd run into pulsing, sudden bursts, or inconsistent flow, all of which could lead to defective applications. That's why it's also important to use a high-quality pneumatic cylinder and a well-built cartridge retainer. A good quality cylinder provides stable pressure without fluctuations, while a durable retainer ensures the adhesive cartridge stays securely in place, minimizing any unwanted movement that could affect precision. Now that the system is fully installed, the next step is mounting it onto an automation setup. In the next video, we'll show you how to properly integrate it into a dispensing robot for precise and efficient adhesive application. Stay tuned.